I got a filter on today, y'all, because I'm just looking a mess. But today is the day I'm finally finna finish this bedroom off for the kids so I can show you guys the full bedroom makeover. Because I just been putting it off. I don't know why. I've just been having a lot of work at school. Anyway, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hey girl, my name is Shika. And you guys in this channel, we do a lot of lifestyle, home decor, DIY, all things motherhood, just a whole bunch of anything that I'm in the mood to do. Travel, you know, all the things. So if you have not already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I would love to have support the At Home with Chic family. And you guys, today we're finishing up part 2 of the kids' bedroom makeover. It's pretty much done. I'll say about 90-95% done. I just need to finish putting up all of this stuff, which is all their decor for their wall. And it's pretty much be done. I was gonna do I'm still on the fence of whether I want to do some more storage for their toys, but right now I'm gonna leave it how I have it, just because baby Wyatt is just tearing up stuff. I don't want to spend any more money purchasing a new system, and he's like really going through like some behavior concerns, so we have to start an ABA therapy soon. So anyway, there's more to come on there. I'll talk about that in a separate video, just my update on his autism diagnosis and all that good stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna pour my gallon of water, because you guys know I'm on the 75 hard challenge, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started, you guys. We're gonna hard right until I'm not gonna put it up anymore. Get this video out to you guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. On our way to our next milestone, which is 1,000 subscribers, you guys. Share with your family and friends, and let's go ahead and hop right into the video. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the room together. I'm gonna show you guys just putting all the decor, and then I'll do like a full walkthrough and trying to tell you where everything is from, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and just hop right into it and get everything put up. So excited. Life goes up and it goes down.
I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet. 100 people, sure know how to trick. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me.
You guys, and this is the best part about decorating. I like to kind of just play around with the decor. So normally I'll put some stuff up, take a step back, look at it, see if I like the way it's set up. And if I don't, I could just always take it down, rearrange it. I think that's the most fun part about just decorating, just kind of making it your own and just taking a blank on canvas and just turning it into something so beautiful. I love that part about decorating.
Just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart when she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. 'Cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Oh, so cruel. Oh, so cruel. Adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me, adore me.
Now I'm gonna go in and get everything a good mop and get everything, all this dust and dirt off the floor, you guys. That's pretty much done. I'm gonna take you guys kind of walk through the overall room and tell you where everything is from. Y'all, that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think about the room makeover? I'm obsessed with it. It's not perfect in terms of what I envisioned, just because I had to tweak and make some adjustments just based on my lifestyle and my kids. And I told you guys I wanted to like some custom storage in there for the toys, but I'm just not in the stage right now where I can kind of do that kind of stuff in that room now, because baby Wyatt is kind of going through like a little bit of like a stage where he's tearing things up. So I don't want to invest any more money into purchasing anything new for in terms of toy storage, so I can kind of get him to break that habit. But let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think? I love making this kind of videos. Make sure you guys share with your family and friends, and I'm gonna take you guys kind of a walk through of everything, where everything is from. God, yeah, it looks so good. Alright, put it out on the side. Hey guys, I forgot to pop this in when I originally filmed the bedroom makeover, so I'm just gonna kind of give you a little bit of a rundown, make a look. Hey guys, let me give you a quick rundown. So all the artwork, the two ones in the middle, I DIY'd those from some canvases I got from Ross for $3. All the other decor is from Hobby Lobby. I got it on 50% off. This sign I DIY'd myself as well. The total sign cost was about $12 for the sign. The bed is from Amazon. All the bedding is from JCPenney. The throw blanket is from At Home, and then this little green pillow is from At Home. The nightstands are from Amazon. The picture frame is from Home Goods, and then the two flowers on both are from Pop Shelf. These sconces are from Amazon as well. We already had this basket from a previous DIY, and the basket at the bottom of the shelves, we already had those. We just repurposed those. Again, I DIY'd this sign above his bed. All of his artwork is from a previous makeover, so I didn't have to purchase anything on his. It all came from Hobby Lobby. His bed is also from JCPenney. We already had this throw blanket from a previous space in the house. That mustard pillow came from At Home. And then the two accent pillows, we already had those from a previous DIY. And then the curtains came from Home Goods as well. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Paint I purchased with a gift card that I had from a previous project, so I didn't have to spend any money on the paint. Total cost breakdown, you guys, for the room, including the both beds, nightstands, everything, is about $600. Thank you guys so much for clicking the bell. If you got to this point, thank you guys so much for watching. And make sure you guys share with your family and friends. I'll catch you guys on my next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Thank you guys. Catch you guys later.